Welcome back to Beautiful Mind. We're going to do the bottoms that I forecasted, and we're going to look at them really quick format. All right, guys, let's go. Back in 2011, I color coordinated everything so that you guys can quickly get this. All the moves up, they are orange. 19% is the average. Pink is where the amount of months that it takes to go down. They're 11, 12, 20, and 27 months. This one didn't have a 27, but others did. They went down a percentage level of an average of 82% on these moves. The next campaign that took place in 2013, it was 3 months up again and 18%, really close to this one. Then we moved down, but extraordinarily fast on these campaigns. Again, 80%, but these ones 3 and 6 months. Next campaign from the top, 3 months up, 1,300 is what we did, so less. But the moves down from those tops were 14 months and 20 months. Again, the same as these. Okay, we're caught up. Here we are. Here's the 2018 top, right? We're talking about this top, okay? So this thing moved up, this sucker, right? In the first one here, I'm saying 2017 to 2017, we had this really weird one here, and it's underneath here, but Binance doesn't show it on this chart, unfortunately. So we had a 7-month move up, so different there, right? 7 months was double that time, but we went up 1,800%. The moves down from there, again, look, 12, 13, and 27 months. We didn't do a 20, but we did a 27. And we, again, color coordinated, 80% moves down, 1,800% up. Okay. We then went to our last one after 2020 when we had our major move, okay? So I'm just going to move my cursor here out of the way. These tops here that moved up to our current tops here, okay, 16 and 1,700%, and they were 13 and 20 months up, okay. From there, we were estimating, and you can see here now, that our first time bottoms moving down were in this area here. So you can go ahead and look on your chart and see that what I'm talking about did take place. The next ones you can see here, I said, hey, we could see a percentage level of still up to 82%. We didn't make 12,000, guys, okay? We didn't. But more importantly, we did make it very close, and the months worked out. So let's go take a look at that. This is really important. So this is where I love forecasting. This is where I was like, okay, well, what's going to happen here? Are we going to have a third bottom, right, in June of 2022? You know, so let's go take a look, right? In June 2022, are we going to have a third bottom? I called a 27 month. I called a 22nd month bottom that was going to happen in apparently February here of this 2022 here. Also, where is that one? It's right here. Okay, so you can see what I'm talking about here, right? So let's just move forward here. So we're going to move forward to these. Now this is where it gets really tricky, because I'm saying that we're going to move out 12, 13, 14, and 15 months, and somewhere in there we're going to see some major bottoms in 2022, right? Which were 72 and 82%. So let's go take a look at what I was talking about, okay? So let's go to April, May, June, and July of 22. So, starting with April, we were going to have a set of lows in here. And then into May, right? So April, and then into our May bottoms. And I said into June. And I said it could go as far as into July. Okay. The next set of bottoms inside that sequence from that top, and it's our first top, would be this 20-month period, okay? and that would represent December 2022. So let's go have a look at December 22 and see if we had a low in there. Oh, what do you know? Hey, what's the next one we're going to expect a low? Well, February 2023. Right, into February. And then that last section or set is July 2023. Let's go have a look at July 2023 and see if we can see what happened in July 2023. Oh, we didn't have such a major, it started to fall off there. Okay, let's go take a look at the next section from our November 10th top here, this one. Let's go now do the bottoms and forecast our 12, 13, 14, and 15, and then we'll do our 20, 22, and 27 month. Let's go. We're starting now with the November 2022. November 2022, we called for our first section of bottoms from our ultimate top, and we nailed it. We also called December, January, and February. Let's go have a look at December. And then we were calling January, and of course it took off majorly. And then we said that we could have one out as far as possibly February. We did. We missed that one, hey? But these are the ones in the sequence. So let's go see if we'll find that one. Well, 20 months now on this sequence brings us out to, I think it's July here, right? Of 2023. So into this period here, which wasn't a significant one, by the way, like our COVID top, right? Or our COVID ones. So we're coming up to that. So 22 months, we're looking now for September, right, of 2023. Well, I wonder what happened in September 2023. Okay. And then we're saying, well, February 2024, right, is a 27 months, and we're probably going to have some sort of a kick bottom there. Let's go have a look and see what happened in February. Where was that? Oh, look at that. No bottom. It took, well, we had a bottom back in the January period, which was obviously 1 month before. So really close, right? We nailed this area. Here's your February bottom, and it took right off. So this is how forecasting can be done. It's not that difficult. I hope you guys really enjoyed that. Peace and love to you.